Hey everybody, all right. Welcome to my show. Yes, you are very welcome. And thank you very much for watching my show. Hey guys, look my table. How colorful and busy, all right. Exactly the way I like it. Your table can be colorful and busy, all right guys. Hey guys, if you want a good food, you're gonna need a very good recipe, right? Please don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel. All right, I will be right here to entertain you. But don't be afraid guys. All right, let's go. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make delicious recipe. Yes, I'm gonna make shrimp with potatoes and salsas. All right, it's gonna bring the flavor together. But don't be afraid guys. All right, let's go. All right, first to do this dish, I'm gonna make my shrimp. All right, I'm gonna prepare my shrimp first. I have 2 pounds of jumbo shrimp. You guys can use any shrimp you want. All right, doesn't have to be a jumbo. Very good. The next step, I'm gonna use my paprika. All right. Bingo! All right, guys, very good. My next step is gonna be my black pepper. Also, my paprika, I have 1 teaspoon. All right. My black pepper, I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, don't use. Very good. My salt, also I have 1 teaspoon. If you need more, just add it, but I don't think you need any more than that. All right. In my next step, I have Old Bay, also 1 teaspoon. Very good. All right. So what I'm gonna do is, my hands is clean, and I'm gonna mix it up my ingredients. All right. Very good. All right. Looking good. You guys can take a look here. Please bring the camera together. All right. Looks beautiful and colorful. All right. So now, stay tuned. Welcome back. All right. My next step is gonna be my olive oil. My olive oil, I have a 1/4 cup. Would you like to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, very good. Bingo! All right, very good, guys. All right, my next step, it's gonna be my. You guys can see how beautiful it looks. My jumbo shrimp. All right. Let me see if he's ready. All right, he's ready. Very good. So let's cook this shrimp. All right. Very good. All right, looking good. Very good. All right, beautiful. Now I'm gonna stir a little bit here, there. All right, let's cook this shrimp a little bit. Stay tuned. All right, welcome back. My shrimp, it's ready. All right, please bring the camera together. Beautiful. All right, now I'm going to reserve. Very good. All right. Very good. In the same fried pan, all right? Now I'm gonna prepare the salsas and the potatoes, all right? So in the same fried pan, excuse me, I'm gonna need my olive oil. My olive oil, I have a 1/2 cup. Bingo! All right, guys, very good. All right, so my next step, I'm gonna need my garlic and my onions, all right? My garlic, I have 4 cloves, finely chopped. Very good. And 1 small onion. Very good. Now mix it up a little bit, and let's cook a little bit this garlic and the onion. All right? And I'll be right back. Let's go. All right, welcome back. My garlic and my onion is halfway cooked. All right? I'm ready for my next step. My next step is gonna be my potatoes. You guys can use any potatoes you prefer. All right? I have 1 pound of potatoes, cut small pieces. You guys can take a look. Not that big, not too small. All right? So, very good. All right, let's cook a little bit these potatoes. All right? Very good. All right? But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, welcome back. Guys, let's check my potatoes. My potatoes is like halfway cooked. All right, looks beautiful. Start to get brown. Beautiful. All right. So I'm ready for my next step. My next step is gonna be my sausage. You guys, my sausage, I have 1.5 pounds. You guys can use any sausage you prefer. You have to cut like this. All right? Not too big, not too small. Bingo. Very good. All right. My next step. A little bit. Right. My next step is gonna be my peppers. I have 1 red pepper and 1 green pepper, all right? 1 each. Not too big, medium size. Right, let's cook this. All right? That's when the colors and the flavor comes together. All right, guys, please bring the camera together. Very good, nice and colorful. Very good. Now let's cook this. All right. Also, I'm ready. My next step. My next step, I'm gonna use my salt. Salt, I have 1 teaspoon of salt. Very good. Right. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, don't use. Good. Also, I have Cajun seasoning. Cajun seasoning. I have 1 teaspoon. Very good. Right. Also, I have paprika. All right. Paprika, I have 1 teaspoon also. This dish is very easy to do it. Anybody can do it. All right. This is my Italian seasoning. All right. 1 teaspoon. Paprika, I have 1 teaspoon also. All right. Also, you guys can take a look. My recipe is arrow down to the right. Click at the arrow down, all my recipe will be there. Right. My next step is gonna be my parsley. The parsley, I have 1 teaspoon of parsley. Very good. All right. Now let's mix these babies. All right. And it smells all over my kitchen. All right, very good. Mix it up very well and let cook. All right, very good. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Hey guys, all right, welcome back. Time to check. Very good. All right, please bring the camera together. Ooh la la. All right, it's cooking. Nice, very good. You still have way to go. All right. In the meantime, my sausage and my potatoes, it's cooking. All right. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to do one of my favorite drink. All right. Of course, my favorite drink is Cosmo. All right. This is my second favorite drink. All right. That's tequila. All right, guys. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. Let's go. Very good. First, I'm gonna start with my ice. Right? You guys have to make sure if you put a lot of ice. Also, you're gonna need a container like this. All right? You can find everywhere. All right? But make sure if you have a lot of ice. All right? Very good. All right. All right. Very good. What I do is I squeeze the ice and try to put much as I can. All right. Very good. All right. My next step now, it's my tequila. All right. When you pour the tequila, you have to let three fingers. All right. So you pour the tequila until over here and left 3 fingers. All right. Out. Very good. So my tequila, you guys can use any tequila you want it. I'm using my favorite. All right. So let's go here. All right. A little bit more. Right. Very good. It's almost there. All right. I left 3 fingers. All right. 2 added my margarita mix. All right. So my margarita mix. Very good. All the way to the top. All right. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna cover, right? And you start to shake. But you have to shake very well so come up very nice and cold. All right. In the meantime, I'm gonna leave it here and I'm gonna show you how you prepare your glass. All right. So get the lemon, right? So now usually what I do is when I cut, I go like this. All right. So all the juice, a little bit of juice penetrated all the way around. All right. So my next step, this is my sea salt. Okay, you guys can use any salt you prefer. All right. So now you're just gonna touch a little bit in the salt, so the salt stays in the edge of the glass. All right. Beautiful. All right. Very good. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna shake again very, very well. All right. Make sure it's nice and cold. All right. Very good. All right. So now my margarita, it's ready. Very good. A bit more. All right. Very good. So now you got the lemon, you cut a little piece. Make sure if you cut in the middle here. All right. So that's it. Very good. Let's bring the camera together. This is margarita. Very easy to do it. All right. Yes. I'll be right back. Hey guys. All right. Welcome back. All right. Now time to check. Looking very good. It's cooking perfect. All right. It's gonna be good. It's gonna taste good. Wow. All right, guys. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Hey, guys, I almost forgot. Time to check. Ooh la la. Sheesh. It's almost ready. I'm gonna let these babies cook for 2 more minutes. All right, and I'll be right back. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, hold on a second, guys. Now, let me put my shrimp back where it belongs. All right, stir a little bit. Beautiful. All right, that looks fantastic. Please bring the camera together. Look how beautiful, nice and colorful it smells all over my kitchen. All right. I'll be right back. Hey guys, all right, very good. gonna show you the final product. All right, please bring the camera together. Looks beautiful and looks very impressive, and it smells all over my kitchen. All right, that's very good dish. Very easy to do it. Anybody can do it. All right, you have to try this recipe. I'm sure you gonna be happy today and forever. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Cheers, guys.